How to create and manage reminders on Google Calendar. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create and manage reminders using Google Calendar. Reminders are a great way to stay organized and ensure you don't forget important tasks or events. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar. Log into your Google account if prompted. To create a reminder, click on the date or time slot where you want to add the reminder. A pop-up window will appear, so click on Reminder in the event details. Enter the title and any additional details for your reminder. You can also set a specific time for the reminder to alert you. Click on Notification to customize how and when you want to be reminded. Choose from options like email, pop-up notification, or SMS. Once you've entered all the details and customized your settings, click on Save to add the reminder to your calendar. To manage your reminders, go to the left-hand side panel in Google Calendar and click on Reminders. Here, you can view all your upcoming reminders, mark them as completed, or delete them if no longer needed. That's it. You've successfully learned how to create and manage reminders on Google Calendar. Reminders help you stay organized and on top of your tasks and events. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.